That's a little blurry. That's better. That's what WeyeZE does. It takes you from a blurry world to a clear one in a matter of minutes. My name is Sasha Sirkin. I'm a junior at UNC Chapel Hill, and I am the founder and CEO of WeyeZE. WeyeZE is revolutionizing how humans see the world through our self-correcting glasses kit. Today, there's over 1 billion people who don't have access to a pair of corrective glasses, and as a result, there's a $250 billion deficit in global productivity. 1 in every 10 Americans don't even have access to the pair of corrective glasses that they need to see the world clearly. The current process of getting a pair of glasses can take upwards of 3 months and cost around $700, $800 without health insurance. I decided I wanted to try and simplify this process, so I invented a self-correcting glasses kit that works with layerable optical quality lens stickers that mimic what you'd receive in a pair of traditional corrective glasses. In the space, there is no competitor that is offering such an accessible, affordable, and convenient solution like WeyeZE is doing. We plan on partnering with community organizations in order to amplify distribution efforts, as well as selling online direct-to-consumer via our website. And in the next year, we will be launching an app that utilizes an AI screening platform that channels users to our product to get a pair of glasses. Our momentum and traction to date has included raising over $60,000, being featured in many news outlets, as well as completing multiple startup accelerators. We plan on running our first pilot program in the coming months, having already completed our first round of beta testing. Now, the only question is, are you seeing what I'm seeing?